Today's Tech Time on our YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking with you about muscle car suspension and tire selection. I've got a few examples here to show you the options. So this is our subject of today's Tech Time. This is a first-gen Camaro subframe that has our tubular lower and upper control arms, as well as our tubular sway bar, which are all bolt-on items. We also have the weld-on chicane upper mount, which allows you to run a full coilover with more ride height and tunability adjustments, all of which allows you to run a wider front tire, like this 255 here, all of which gives you more performance improvement and handling benefits. And that concludes today's Tech Time for today. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more episodes. If you're interested in any of these or other Speedtech products, please check us out at speedtechperformance.com. Thank you for joining us today, and see you next time.